Welcome to our complete guide on how to run Android apps on your PC. Today, we'll explore various methods to enhance your productivity. First, let's discuss the benefits. Running Android apps on your PC can increase your efficiency, provide a larger screen experience, and allow for seamless multitasking. There are several ways to use Android apps on your PC, including emulators, the Windows subsystem for Android, and app streaming services. Next, we'll discuss how to set up an emulator. Some of the best options include BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to install and start using your chosen emulator effectively. Let's get started. Now, let's look into using the Windows subsystem for Android. This feature allows you to run Android apps natively on Windows. Additionally, we can explore app streaming services like Google Play Games, which let you play mobile games on your PC without any hassle. Syncing your mobile apps with your PC can boost your workflow. We'll discuss how to do this effectively. Sometimes, issues may arise when using Android apps on your PC. Let's troubleshoot some common problems and their solutions. In conclusion, using Android apps on your PC can greatly enhance your experience. Remember these tips for a smoother operation.